Hello, 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 hello. Anna Walker here. My hands. I'm back here too, but you've got the hands today, and I wanted to show you again this beautiful mandala that I created yesterday. Here, let me hold it up just a little bit. I had fun with this, and I used only about maybe half of the materials in the kit. So definitely you could do two of these, although you only have one piece of pre-felt in there. But if you take a look at some of my YouTube videos, you can find out how you can build up a base using just your dyed fiber. But I'm using this as my little base here today, and I'm going to talk to you about these cute little mini kits that I have on the website. They're only 20 bucks. You've got this Hawthorne kit here, plus I send one of my class size felting foams, and it's got 2 extra needles in it. But let me show you what comes in this cute little kit. There are 3 different designs. The one I'm showing you now and the one I'm going to make a quick little time-lapse video of tomorrow is the bee brooch kit. And this comes with white wool and yellow wool and black wool and step-by-step instructions. The wonderful little brooch back that you need, and this cool little container that has 2 felting needles in it. So for 20 bucks, you get everything you need to make your little bee brooch, plus you get 4 felting needles, and they will last you for project after project after project. I think the first the first felting needles I ever bought, when I bought that $4 Teach Yourself How to Needle Felt kit, I think lasted me for almost a year. So, and I was needle felting nonstop. But the instruction sheet gives you step by step. And while their instructions are good, I will be happy to be your person on the other end of the email or on the other end of a message that says, okay, try this. Or did you see that video over on my YouTube channel? But I wanted to show you that this is a perfect little kit for you to get yourself jump started into needle felting. And let's see how much wool is here. You've got plenty of wool to make your little bumblebee. And the white is really, as you can see on the box, the white is used for a little stripe at the bottom and for the wings. So this is more than enough white wool. And you've got plenty of the yellow and black to be able to make your bumblebee. So this is an awful lot of fun. The only things that you need to add to this, and I'll just read this straight off the instructions sheet, as well as the contents of your kit, you're also going to need a sewing needle and matching thread. That's to sew your pin back onto the back of the brooch, and a foam block or sponge to use as a work surface. Well, guess what? I'm sending you the foam block. So for 20 bucks, you're getting everything you need and then some to create your wonderful little bee brooch. And then you can use it to decorate your favorite outfit. You can give it as a gift. You could put that little bee brooch on your slap bracelet, and you could have a little bee just sort of flying around on your slap bracelet. You could put a magnet on it, and that little bee could be a magnet instead of a brooch. But this is a really easy way to get yourself or someone that you care about that's been wanting to try felting for so long, but they haven't known where to start. here's where to start. So I would highly recommend that you go check things out. There are 3 different versions of this little mini kit. Each one is 20 bucks. Each one comes with your foam and your extra two needles. We've got the bee brooch kit. We have the mini llama kit, and we have the mini unicorn kit. Now there are extremely limited quantities of each of these. I only bought 3 of each of the kits to try out. 2 of them are already gone, so there are only 7 of these kits left. Depending on how well they go, I may order some additional kits. But for now, this is what we've got. So you want to head over to stabthingsintoexistence.com and you want to pick yours up ASAP. Yes, I have them here with me in Iowa. Yes, I can ship them to you because I brought my shipping supplies. Yes, the post office is just a couple miles down the road. So what are you waiting for? Order your little bee brooch kit or your llama kit or your unicorn kit. While you're at it, order some fiber bundles or get yourself 1 or more of my wonderful little hand carded bats. I got the supplies for you. All you need to do is order. So that's it for today. I will come back to you tomorrow with something else. I am trying out a new fabric in a Nunofelt way, Nunofelting method, and I am going to test it tomorrow and I'll report on it tomorrow evening. So that's what I have for you today. And I hope that you're all having a wonderful summer day. I'm going to go check the potatoes in the oven and get the bacon started on the stove so that Mom and I can eat dinner. And that's all I got for now. I will talk to you all later. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.